Have you ever wondered why good people sometimes suffer, while those who seem unjust or selfish often succeed? Why does life sometimes feel unfair, even when your heart is pure and your actions are honest? We've all asked this question in quiet moments. Why me? Why did this happen to me? What did I do to deserve this? The answer lies in one of the most ancient and powerful truths known to humankind: the law of karma. Karma is not a punishment or reward system created by God. It is the natural law of balance, the echo of every thought, word, and action. And the beautiful part? No matter what your past looks like, you can transform your karma starting today. Before we go deeper, if you love exploring the deeper side of life, the mysteries of the soul, consciousness, and divine purpose, then make sure to subscribe to Inner Divine. Here, we share insights and stories that help you grow spiritually and live with peace, wisdom, and awareness. Now, let's uncover how you can truly transform your karma and rewrite the story of your life. What is karma, beyond religion? Most people think karma simply means, do good and you'll get good. Do bad and you'll get bad. But that's only the surface. In reality, karma is energy in motion. Every thought you think, every word you speak, and every action you take creates a subtle vibration that moves through your consciousness and eventually returns to you in one form or another, sometimes in ways you do not expect. Karma is not stored somewhere outside of you. It is recorded in your own energy field, your subconscious mind, your habitual tendencies, and the emotions you carry. For instance, if you live with constant anger or resentment, you naturally attract situations that challenge your patience. If you carry love, compassion, and understanding, life reflects that energy back to you in beautiful and unexpected ways. So karma is not fate. It is feedback, a mirror showing the energy you are putting out into the world. How we create karma every day. You don't have to perform great deeds to create karma. In truth, most of our karma arises from small, unconscious moments, the tiny choices, thoughts, and reactions that we rarely notice. Every time you judge someone, complain about life, or hold on to resentment, you are planting seeds of restlessness and tension. Every time you forgive, offer help without expecting anything in return, or simply choose patience and peace over anger, you plant seeds of harmony and calm. The universe is neutral, it simply reflects the energy you carry within. If your mind is restless, even a minor problem feels like a storm. If your mind is calm, even the greatest challenges become opportunities for growth. Transformation of karma begins not with your actions alone, but with awareness and conscious choice in every moment. Breaking the cycle of old karma. We all carry patterns, emotional, mental, and even physical, that come from past actions. Sometimes we call it destiny, but in truth, it's just unfinished energy waiting to be balanced. The great masters, including Paramhansa Yogananda, taught that the purpose of karma is not to punish, but to teach. If you've gone through heartbreak, perhaps you're being taught compassion. If you've faced failure, perhaps you're being guided toward humility and strength. If you've been betrayed, perhaps life is teaching you discernment and self-love. When you start to see every challenge as a lesson, you stop creating new negative karma. You move from reaction to understanding. That shift, from resistance to acceptance, is where transformation begins. Practical ways to transform karma. Let's explore real, everyday ways to purify your karma and raise your vibration. Keycap 1: Awareness and self-reflection. Each evening, take 5 minutes to reflect. How did I think, feel, and act today? Did I create peace or disturbance? Awareness dissolves ignorance, and ignorance is the root of negative karma. Keycap 2: Forgiveness. Unforgiveness ties your energy to the past. When you forgive, you release yourself, not just the other person. Say silently, I forgive all who have hurt me, and I set myself free. This simple practice clears years of emotional karma. Keycap 3. Gratitude. Gratitude turns every experience into a blessing. Even pain becomes sacred when you see what it taught you. Every night, name 3 things you're thankful for. And your energy will begin to shift toward abundance. Keycap 4. Meditation. Meditation is the greatest karma cleanser. When your mind becomes still, old vibrations begin to dissolve naturally. Yogananda said, "Each deep meditation burns up a seed of karma." So meditate not to escape life, but to purify the energy with which you live it. Keycap 5. Selfless service. When you help others without expecting anything, you balance selfish karma with divine energy. Every act of kindness sends ripples that return multiplied. Remember, when you lift someone else, you lift yourself. Let's imagine a man named Arjun. He always tried to do good, but life kept throwing him challenges. Financial problems, betrayal, loss. One day he asked a spiritual teacher, "Why is this happening to me? I haven't done anything wrong." The teacher smiled and said, "You are not being punished. You are being purified." Those words changed his life. Instead of reacting, Arjun began observing. He practiced forgiveness, meditation, and gratitude. Within months, his relationships healed. Opportunities opened up. And most importantly, his mind became peaceful, even when things went wrong. That's the power of transformed karma. Not that life becomes perfect, but that you become peaceful no matter what happens. Living karma consciously. As you walk through life, remember, every choice is a seed. Every thought and emotion carries energy. And every moment offers a new opportunity to plant something meaningful. You don't have to be perfect. You only need to be aware. Even the smallest acts. A kind word, a silent prayer, a gentle smile. Or choosing patience and calm over anger and frustration are steps on your soul's journey of evolution. Your destiny is not fixed. And your karma is not a prison. It is your wisest teacher, guiding you patiently toward understanding, growth, and freedom. Live consciously. And watch how your life transforms with every mindful choice you make. So today, let this truth rest deeply within your heart. You are not a victim of your past. You are the creator of your present and future. Each thought you choose shapes the world you experience. Transform your mind, and your life will follow. Live each day with awareness, kindness, and compassion. Forgive often, love freely, and walk gently. Because the universe always responds to the energy you carry. When your heart is calm, life itself becomes your greatest teacher. If these words touched your heart, and you wish to explore more about inner peace, divine connection, and conscious living, then make sure to subscribe to Inner Divine. Here, every episode is a journey. From confusion to clarity. From restlessness to peace. From karma to freedom. Each message you hear here is meant to awaken something silent and powerful within you. A reminder that your soul was never broken, only waiting to remember its own light. Thank you for listening. May you live each day with awareness, love, and gentle strength. And may every action you take become a step toward divine harmony. This is Inner Divine, where your inner journey truly begins.